So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon, and then you want to click on select a sound output. Make sure that on the output device you have your headphones or your earphones selected, whatever comes up here. You want to select that, and now we're going to go back. Make sure that this right here is not muted. You want to unmute this and then turn this up. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. Once you're on this, again, make sure that your speakers are not muted and that you have this turned up. And make sure that the application that you want to use is also not muted and that you have the sound turned up. See if that works. For the next method, you want to unplug your headphones and then plug them back in again. See if that works. You could also plug your headphones into a different device and then see if you can hear the sound on that device, such as your phone. Then you're going to know if your headphones are broken or not. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it and then click on other troubleshooters. You want to find audio, click on run, and then once you're on this, you want to click on yes to run the audio diagnostics. You want to follow all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works for you. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in services, click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Audio, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.